So recently I've been getting messages from my friends and possible subscribers asking me, Nurse Pep, if I don't have sex regularly, will I lose my vagina? Should I be worried? Or will I regrow my hymen? A lot of questions. So if you are one of these people, please watch this video till the end to get a perfect answer to this question. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health and everything in between. And if this is your first time of setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please do not make it the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. But before I go into this video, you guys, I will need to clarify some myths. Once you lose your V card, you cannot regain it. In other words, once the hymen is broken, it cannot regrow. You won't automatically become a virgin. And secondly, if you've not had intercourse for a long time, no, your vagina will not close up. Although there are some instances where it can happen, but not in this situation. But let me tell you what may happen if you decide to indulge after a long period of time. So the first thing is low libido. Although this is not peculiar to every person, studies have shown that about 50% of women experience low libido, whereas another 50% experience high libido. So it depends on the individual. You might just be one of those people that would experience high libido or maybe low ones. Another thing that can happen is that your vagina might experience decrease in elasticity. In other words, it won't be as elastic as it used to be, making penetration a little bit difficult. And also, this elasticity is dependent on whether this individual is in their premenopausal stage or postmenopausal stage. Because vaginal dryness and thinning of the vaginal walls happens very frequently with women of postmenopausal stage. Next is anxiety. You might experience anxiety when you finally want to indulge in sexual intercourse. It's more like, say, if you've not cooked for a very long time and then you are being asked to make a certain meal, you might feel anxious. You would have a little bit of doubt if you can do this or not. But I want to tell you that it is very normal if you feel any of these emotions running through you. Another likely event that can occur is that you would have a long arousal time. This is likened to the fact that there is decrease in elasticity, although it is not peculiar to every single person. And also, being in your premenopausal or your menopausal stage could be a factor as well. So patience and foreplay would help a great deal to achieve less painful intercourse and an enjoyable one. So guys, I'd like to state that this video is not a sex advocacy video, and it is okay if you decide to go through the celibacy pathway. Anything you want to do, it is okay for you to do so, as long as it is the right choice you are making for yourself. So if you find out your vagina is closing up, please do well to see a gynecologist who will check your down there very properly and also give you the best treatment for this condition. This is the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, do well to give it a huge like, subscribe if you haven't, share this video with your friends and your family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.